Travel is one of life's greatest joys, but planning a trip can sometimes feel like a second job. Flights, hotels, luggage, medication, airport rules, walking distance, weather, and transportation can all become confusing very quickly. But today, dear friends, we have a new helper that can fit right in your pocket. It is called artificial intelligence, or AI. Think of AI as a smart travel companion that can help you plan, compare, translate, organize, and prepare before you ever leave home. AI will not replace your common sense, your doctor, your airline, or official travel information. But used wisely, it can make travel easier, safer, cheaper, and much more fun. Today, we are going through 10 simple tips for seniors using AI as a travel companion. Whether you are planning a cruise, a road trip, a family vacation, or a peaceful weekend getaway, these tips can help you travel with more confidence. So grab your tea, relax, and let's begin our little AI travel adventure together. Tip number 1. Plan your trip before you spend money. Before you book a flight, hotel, cruise, or tour, ask AI to help you understand your options. You can say, plan a relaxing 5-day trip for seniors who do not want too much walking. You can also ask, compare 2 destinations and tell me which one is easier for older travelers. AI can suggest a sample itinerary, easier neighborhoods, transportation ideas, and a realistic daily pace. AI can slow things down and help you think before you spend money. Before you click the buy button, let AI be your brainstorming partner. It may help you find better choices and avoid expensive mistakes. Tip number 2. Make your travel plans slower and easier. One of the biggest travel mistakes is putting too much into one day. When we are younger, we may run from museum to museum and still have energy for dinner. But as we get older, a good trip is not about seeing everything. A good trip is about enjoying what we see. Ask AI to make your schedule slower, easier, and more senior-friendly. You can say, make this itinerary easier with rest breaks, shorter walks, and time for lunch. Instead of 3 attractions in one day, AI may suggest 1 attraction, a nice cafe, and a scenic ride. Instead of a hotel far away, it may suggest staying closer to the main area. It should feel like a collection of good moments. Tip number 3. Understand hotel details before booking. Hotels can look wonderful in pictures, but pictures do not always tell the truth. A hotel may be beautiful but have no elevator. It may say close to the beach, but the walk may be uphill. It may be near the city center, but also near loud nightlife. Before booking, copy the hotel description into AI and ask, what should a senior traveler check before booking this hotel? AI may remind you to check elevators, stairs, parking, shuttle service, and bathroom safety. It may also help you review noise level, air conditioning, cancellation rules, and nearby restaurants. You can also ask AI to write a polite message to the hotel. For example, please ask if the hotel has an elevator, quiet rooms, walk-in showers, and easy taxi access. Always confirm important details directly with the hotel because the hotel is the official source. A few extra questions before booking can save you from a very uncomfortable stay later. Tip number 4. Create a smart packing list. Packing sounds simple until the suitcase is open and your mind goes blank. AI can create a packing list based on your destination, season, trip length, and travel style. You can say, make me a packing list for a 7-day cruise to Mexico for a senior traveler. AI can organize the list into clothing, documents, medicine, electronics, comfort items, and emergency supplies. It can remind you about chargers, glasses, reading glasses, and hearing aid batteries. It can also remind you about prescriptions, sunscreen, light jackets, and comfortable shoes. It can also help you pack lighter. Ask, what can I leave at home? Many of us pack for every possible emergency, and then we drag a heavy suitcase through the airport. AI can suggest clothes that mix and match, layers instead of bulky items, and a simple carry-on checklist. A smart packing list is not just about clothes. It is about peace of mind. Tip number 5. Prepare for airports, transportation, and walking distance. Airports can be confusing, especially when terminals change, gates move, and signs are hard to read. AI can help you prepare before you arrive. Ask, explain the airport process step by step for a senior traveler flying internationally. AI can walk you through check-in, security, boarding, baggage claim, customs, and transportation in plain English. You can also ask, how early should I arrive if I want extra time and less stress? AI can help you compare taxi, shuttle, train, and rideshare options from the airport to your hotel. It may explain which option has less walking, fewer transfers, or better convenience with luggage. The cheapest option is not always the easiest option. Always double-check routes with maps and official websites, because schedules and access can change. A little airport planning can turn a stressful day into a smoother day. If you're liking the video so far, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support keeps the fun and the travel tips coming. Okay, dear friends, let's continue. Tip number 6. Use AI as your personal translator. Visiting a place with another language can be exciting, but it can also feel intimidating. What if you need directions? What if you have a food allergy? What if you need help at a pharmacy? AI can help you prepare simple phrases before your trip. Ask, translate these travel phrases into Spanish for a senior traveler. You can include phrases like, where is the restroom? I need a taxi, and please speak slowly. You can also ask AI to create a small travel phrase card for restaurants, hotels, taxis, pharmacies, and emergencies. If you have food needs, AI can help you create a clear sentence in the local language. For serious medical, legal, or emergency situations, ask a real person or official service for help. But for everyday travel, AI can help you smile, say thank you, order lunch, and find your way. A few simple words in the local language can make your trip warmer and friendlier. Tip number 7. Save money without losing comfort. Everyone likes saving money, but senior travel should not be only about the cheapest price. The cheapest hotel may be far away. The cheapest flight may leave very early. The cheapest tour may require too much walking. AI can help you balance price and comfort. Ask, how can I save money on this trip without making it uncomfortable for a senior traveler? AI may suggest traveling during shoulder season, booking hotels with breakfast, choosing a better location, or checking senior discounts. It may also help you compare cruise dates and avoid expensive weekend travel. It can also help you spot hidden costs. A hotel may charge parking, resort fees, breakfast fees, or shuttle fees. A flight may charge for bags, seats, or changes. Saving money is wonderful, but saving energy is also wonderful. AI can help you find the balance between affordable and comfortable. Tip number 8. Prepare for health, medication, and safety needs. This tip is very important. AI can help you organize health information, but it should never replace your doctor. Before a longer trip, ask your doctor or pharmacist about medications, refills, time zones, vaccinations, and personal medical concerns. After that, AI can help you prepare. Ask, create a travel medication checklist for a senior going on a 2-week trip. AI may remind you to pack medicine in original containers, bring extra doses, carry prescriptions, keep medicine in your carry-on bag, and set reminders. You can also ask AI to create a simple emergency information card with your emergency contact, medications, and allergies. The card can also include your doctor contact, insurance information, and hotel address. Print it and keep it in your wallet or travel bag. AI can also help with safety planning. Ask, what safety tips should a senior traveler know before visiting this city? AI can remind you to drink water, take breaks, wear comfortable shoes, and leave room for rest. Sometimes the best travel safety tip is a quiet afternoon and a good night of sleep. Tip number 9. Discover senior-friendly activities. Not every travel activity needs to be fast, loud, crowded, or exhausting. Some of the best memories come from slow and meaningful experiences. A scenic boat ride, a peaceful garden, a small museum, a local food tour, a sunset viewpoint, a train ride, a historic street with benches and cafes. AI can help you find these kinds of activities. Ask, give me senior-friendly things to do that do not require too much walking. You can also ask for quiet restaurants, rainy day ideas, wheelchair-friendly places, free attractions, scenic drives, and places with good seating. Many travel websites focus on younger adventure travelers. They may suggest hiking, nightlife, crowded tours, or long lines. AI can filter the trip for your comfort. Travel is not about proving how much energy you have. Travel is about enjoying the world in a way that feels right for you. Tip number 10. Create backup plans. Before problems happen. Every traveler knows that things can go wrong. Flights get delayed, rain arrives, restaurants close, museums sell out, phones lose battery, bags arrive late. The hotel room is not ready. A good trip is not a trip with no problems. A good trip is a trip where you have backup plans. AI can help you prepare those backup plans before trouble starts. Ask, create a backup plan if my flight is delayed by 6 hours. Ask, what should I do if it rains during my beach vacation? AI can suggest alternate restaurants, indoor attractions, later tour times, nearby pharmacies, and transportation options. It can also help you write quick messages, like telling your hotel that your flight is delayed and you will arrive late. AI can help before the trip, during the trip, and after the trip. That is what makes it such a useful travel companion. Conclusion. So, dear friends, those are 10 simple tips for seniors using AI as a travel companion. Use AI to plan before you spend money. Use it to slow down your itinerary. Use it to understand hotels. Use it to create packing lists. Use it to prepare for airports and transportation. Use it to translate simple phrases. Use it to save money without losing comfort. Use it to organize health and safety needs. Use it to find senior-friendly activities. And use it to create backup plans before problems happen. AI may feel new at first, but you do not need to be a technology expert. You only need to ask simple questions. Then ask AI to explain the answer in plain English. Start small, stay curious, and use your own judgment. Travel is really about seeing new places, enjoying good food, meeting kind people, spending time with family, and creating memories. If AI can make that easier, safer, and more fun, why not let it help? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple travel tips. Drop your travel questions or your favorite senior-friendly vacation spot in the comments. And I'll see you in the next adventure. Safe travels, dear friends.